It's getting a little chilly outside, so I decided to make a little chili. Okay, let's get started. We're making a big old pot of chili today, so I'm dicing up 7 jalapenos. I don't really like the taste of jalapeno all that much, so I'm only going to put the first one in, and the other 6 I chopped for a garnish. Put those in a mixing bowl and set it aside for now. I wanted to try throwing some beef bacon in the chili this time, so I fried up a package of Midamar's Halal breakfast beef until it was nice and crispy, then let it drain on a paper towel lined plate. Now in a large pot or Dutch oven, we'll bring in 2 pounds of 93.7 Midamar ground beef along with 2 pounds of 80/20 Midamar ground beef. You can get those products at the link in the description below along with a nice little discount code. We'll cook that up until it's nice and browned. We're going to lower the heat, and I wanted to be a little healthy today, so I'm ladling out most of the fat. A lot of the flavor does come from the fat, but this is a lot of fat. You're going to want to drain it. Now we'll add in 6 cloves of crushed or minced garlic and our 1 jalapeno and mix it all up. Let that cook up a bit until the garlic and the jalapeno smell really good. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste, a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes along with the juices, 1 29-ounce can of tomato sauce. For a mild chili, go with 1.5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 4 tablespoons of cumin, 3 tablespoons of oregano, and 4 tablespoons of chili powder. Then we'll mix it all up. I thought my chili looked a little dry, so I decided to add in another big old can of tomato sauce. Now we'll spend what feels like a lifetime getting some salt and pepper in this. Keep in mind, we've got 4 pounds of meat here, so we need a solid amount of salt and pepper. Make sure to taste it now to see how you like it. Now we'll use some kitchen shears to do a rough little chop of the bacon. The kitchen shears work pretty well, but it would be just as good to use a regular knife to chop this up. Give that a good stir so the bacon is all mixed in. Reserve 3 or 4 strips to chop into a topping for later. Get that to a light simmer, then cover your pot, lower the heat to low, and let that simmer for about an hour. Make sure you mix it up every 5 to 10 minutes so it doesn't burn to the bottom. My battle buddy suggested we make a little 3-bean chili, so we're going to bring in 2 cans of pintos, 2 cans of dark kidney, and 2 cans of black beans. All of these are rinsed and drained. Cook that for a few minutes to make sure the beans are nice and warm, and that's it. Serve it up with some jalapenos, some freshly shredded cheddar, some bacon bits, sour cream, and even corn chips if you're feeling crazy, and enjoy!